Stormtracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, showers moving through this afternoon and this evening. A little soggy out there, but it was nice to finally get the temperatures back into the 50s. We have not seen that for most of the month of January. And again, that's warmer than we should be. Right around 48 is our average high for this time of year. But considering we were stuck in London for about the better half of, 9-10 days. And in fact, check this out. The last 3 days of rain, we've gotten just about 0.64 inches. That almost doubles what we saw for the entire month of January so far. Now, we're still under an inch, and that is well below where we should be this time of year. As you can see, that front moving through across the state right now, sort of drawing its position. We're going to add to that as we head in towards the next couple of days. So at least trying to end the note on a more typical pattern. The good news is most of what we're seeing that's starting to come in off the ocean now is what we call little short waves, or little bits of energy that kind of rotate around the main system. I'll show you where that is in a second. A lot of this is going to be very isolated showers, and most of the initial wave here over the next couple hours is going to push north of us up and towards western Washington. So that does mean everybody probably will get a bit of a break. Couple hours here, we'll see some more showers push in as we head overnight tonight. But if you're headed out to some of the area basketball games tonight, including our game of the week, South Eugene Springfield, saw Eric Elkin. We'll get back to him coming up in just a bit. Should be okay. May want to just watch out, run into some puddles out there, but I don't think we're looking at sort of a big washout as we go overnight tonight. And once again, with the winds out of the south and southwest, we're going to keep those temperatures above freezing. Low 40s down at the Umpqua, mid 40s at the coast, and probably upper 30s as we head out towards the Central Valley. Now, what about skiing over the next couple of days? Well, up towards Willamette Pass, they've got about 35 inches, couple of new inches of fresh powder, Hoodoo Bachelor, and up towards the Meadows. Snow lines are going to likely start dropping, too, as we head in towards the weekend, indication of that cooler, showery air mass that's moving in. So that does mean we'll get a couple of new inches of powder up on the ski resorts and even into the foothills, possibly about an inch or so. Nothing major out there, because here's what we've got. Big low starting to generate some activity. We've got a couple of these, what we call little vortices, or little waves moving around and underneath that. But all this cold air is going to shift over top of Northern California, Oregon, and Washington as we head in towards the next couple of days. So we'll watch this piece start to get a little closer to us as we head overnight tonight, bringing back a chance for some lightly scattered showers that will start to move through as we head towards tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, I think we're looking at breaks. We'll see the same pattern as we head towards Sunday. Occasional showers, some breaks, but that's when the coldest air starts to move overhead. So I'm expecting afternoon highs to probably be a little cooler, certainly than the 50s we saw today, back down into the mid 40s. So lightly scattered showers at the coast tomorrow. Do think the coast will see some breaks within that as well. Same thing on Sunday and Monday. And then we see another big ridge of high pressure start to build in. Right now, looks like it's going to stay offshore, which means everybody will likely see some sunshine as we head in towards next week. Question is, if it gets a little closer to us, though, we may get that same setup where the valley gets stuck under that inversion. Again, that's when the cold air gets trapped to the surface. We'll have to watch for that. Otherwise, around 2-3 inches of snow in the Cascades. Temperatures around freezing. Upper 30s to low 40s with some sunshine and flurries tomorrow in Bend and Redmond. And a pretty quiet forecast overall. And here in the valley, we'll go isolated showers. Do think we'll get a few breaks. Again, folks headed out to Matt Night tomorrow for the big game Ducks and the Huskies. Should be A-OK as well.
I'm glad the fog is gone. I'm just not so happy about all the showers.
Yeah, I know, but it was nice to get back in the 50s today. Just
it
felt warm out
there. It felt like a heat wave.
Even though it was raining, it was okay.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.